Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Today we're going to be doing some Herculiner on the trailer. So let's go ahead and go through what we need to use to apply this and protect ourselves and protect the ground and everything else. Alright guys, so just want to start off, I'm not a sponsor of Herculiner. I just happen to like this stuff. It's really good stuff. Holds up pretty well. You just need to make sure you do all the prep work to apply this. First thing you need to do a good sanding on the surface that you're doing. I don't have any sandpaper out here, but start out with somewhere around, I would say 120. Just rough it up. If you have any oil, you're going to want to clean it up with TSP. It's just a solvent cleaner that you can get over at your local Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever stores near you. This stuff, not that easy to clean up, but you know, it's not that messy if you have the right equipment on. So I recommend getting some gloves. It does not have to be 3M. These happen to be I don't know, about halfway up your forearm, just so you don't get it on your skin. It is hard to get off if you do get it on your skin, but you know, anything comes off in a couple days. So what you need to apply this, foam roller. I like the 4-inch roller. You can go larger depending on the surface that you're applying, but I like the 4-inch because it's easy to move around and apply. And then a foam brush. They sell these anywhere from 1 inch all the way up to, I believe, 3 or 4 inches. So those are supplies you're going to need. Of course, a plastic tray. If you have one of the throwaways, that's even better. I'm going to see if I have one to throw in here. But that's that. To clean it off, I believe you can use alcohol, or excuse me, acetone. But I'm not sure. Let's see, do not thin. Yeah, you can use acetone to clean it off yourself. Now, once you're done with the job, this is garbage. I wouldn't even try cleaning it off. Of course, clean your roller off, but the foam part is garbage. So let's go ahead and get started on painting the trailer. Oh, one other thing I want to mention is if you are in tight spaces, wear a mask. Always wear a mask. I'm going to be outdoors, so I'm gonna try not to wear a mask. We'll see if I have enough wind out there to blow the fumes away. If not, I will grab a mask and you know, cover myself. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the areas I'm going to be applying this Herculiner. Basically, I'm going to be applying it to that 20-inch sections along the center, 2 fenders on both sides. I may do these railings. I don't know if I will. We'll see. But I think it's just mainly those 3 sections. I'm not going to do the bottom today. I may do the bottom another day, but not today because I still have some modifications I want to do under there. But I do want to get these guys coated, the center and the other fender coated. So let's go ahead and open up that can and start applying. there is to it. I went over it 3 times, pretty much used one of those quart cans for all of this. Just went over it once, came over at the beginning and started over again. Went over it 3 times, made it nice and thick, made it even. You got to be careful with this because it will glob, and then it won't look even. So if you want it to look even, use a roller. You saw that I used a brush along the 2 edges. That was just to get in between all those bars. But then I went over a roller all the way across the edge there. So anyways, we'll let it dry, and that's that, guys. I'll probably paint over it to match the rest of the black so it's not so glossy. But that's that. Thanks guys for watching.